So today we have been joined by Dan and Owen and Marco. Dan and Owen from the Meet and Greet Barbecue podcast. Marco is from Delivita. So this morning, myself and the guys, we cooked up some breakfast muffins, which were really, really good. And today, Marco is going to be cooking something for us.
Yeah.
What are you going to be cooking?
So I'm going to be cooking a few recipes, which we're going to show in the next few weeks. But we're going to start with a nice starter, which is a pepper with capers, parsley. It's delicious. And we're going to cook it right on the embers of the fire. So what we're going to do, we're going to put our peppers straight on the coal inside the oven, okay? Just bring our, instead of putting wood inside, we're going to go and place the pepper right there. And then we grab a couple of peppers, yeah? And we're going to go and put them on the embers, right, like that. Garlic, yeah? Yeah, bam. Then take the ends off, skin off. Then we do a couple of chili peppers. Again, the ends off. And a little bit of parsley, okay? Bam. So we start, we do our garlic. The smell of the garlic is amazing. Okay, that's cool. Then we do our, this doesn't have to be like super fine, okay? Couple of chilies. Now, and one very cool ingredient is a tablespoon of capers. And we go and chop everything together. It's roughly chopped, it's not like super fine. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of this on the bottom of our plate. Bam. Like that. Okay. Keep some to the side because this goes on top after. Olive oil on the plate. Salt and pepper. Okay, so peppers are ready and off we go. We're going to take them out. It's been only a few minutes. And they're pretty cool. Bam. What we do now, we just let this pepper get cold a little bit. Then we're going to clean it. And then we just slice and we're ready to eat it. Okay, now the peppers are out. They're still a little bit hot. I've got some gloves. I'm just going to go and clean the char, yeah? You see, comes away, look, so easy, yeah? Like that. Take the seeds and the inside away. Set aside. Bam. Like that, like that. Then you do the same with the other one. So we slice it like that. Then you slice it basically, yeah, long ways like this, yeah. So bam, 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 bam. Then we go with the little bit of our on top. Let's not leave anything in here. Salt and pepper. Olive oil, like it's raining olive oil. Good olive oil, boom, and we're ready. Nice starter. I did 2 peppers, but you can do 5 or 6 pepper and have 5 or 6 plates for your family and friends, and off you go. So I think it's time to try it, and let's see. Yeah. So the capers as well,
What do you think, Jody?
You can taste the chili in it. It's definitely got a kick to it.
I can see by your eyes.
Yeah, I know.
That reminds
I
us
think
to,
I just ate a whole chili.
Yeah, I didn't get chili actually. No.
Dan, what's your thoughts?
Beautiful.
That is amazing.
Very versatile. I
love
can
the
imagine
garlic.
lots of different things you could pair that with as well. If you didn't want it as a starter, it would be a great side dish. It would be fantastic with something like steak. Absolutely beautiful.
So there we go. What a recipe! That was amazing. I really, really enjoyed that. The flavors, everything, and we were just saying off camera then that you could eat it cold as well. It's like a cold salad or something like that.
Yeah, absolutely. You can eat it. Also, you can freestyle a little bit, you know, take away ingredient, add to it. You can add balsamic vinegar, like we were saying. You know, you can, this is the base, but you know, you can kind of change and adapt it.
So a really, go on, sorry.
I was just going to say, I think as you're coming up to the festive season, if you're going to eat this cold, this will be a good for people that don't traditionally like a salmon starter, but you can prep ahead of time, and a great alternative for a festive starter.
Fantastic. Yeah, definitely. This is great. It's a great little recipe.
So there you go, like a super easy, super simple, really quick recipe, really tasty, and good to try for your next barbecue. So thanks very much for watching. Cheers guys for coming down, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ciao.
Cheers.